first portion of the video, I will demonstrate how a registered instructor that is assigned to a course will be able to submit the roster and grades for a course. Please note that the user portal in this video is a testing environment and not necessarily representative of the final version that stakeholders will use. First, sign into the SFT User Portal using your normal login credentials. Once signed in, locate the section titled My Staff Assignments on the left-hand side of the page. Click on the link. On this page, you will see all of the currently open courses that you are assigned to. By default, past courses are not shown. Locate the course you are working on and click on the Add Roster button on the right-hand side. On this page, you will see a brief overview of the course with sections to add students, documents, and comments. In the Students section of the page, you can enter the SFT ID of the student you are looking to enroll. You can enter multiple names at once and then click the Add to Roster button, or you can add them one at a time. If you make a mistake while adding a student, you can easily remove them at any time until you submit the roster. If there are any documents requested by State Fire Training, you can select the Attach Document button and upload a document with description in the pop-up dialog box. It is not mandatory to attach a document unless requested. Next, you can use the Add Comments field in the same way as the existing Notes and Deviations section of the course return web form. Here you can note any issues or changes with the course, such as additional assistant instructors who participated in the course delivery. At the bottom of the page, there are several options for submission. Finish Later will allow you to save the roster for later completion without submitting it to State Fire Training. Submit and Enter Results should be the option you choose most frequently, as it will submit the roster and take you to the page to enter the student's pass or failed test results. On the next page, you will see a list of all students as well as a test date and pass or fail dropdown. The test date should be entered as the final day of the course. There are two ways to enter the results: individually or using the Quick Set option. The Quick Set option allows you to specify a date and result and apply it to all students. You can still change an individual result after using Quick Set before you submit the results. You can cancel, save the results to finish later, or submit the results. Once you have submitted the test results, you cannot return to change them. Once the results are submitted, you will see a confirmation pop up and be taken to a page containing your test results for recent courses you were assigned to. You can click View to revisit the results. To return to the roster submission page, click on My Work and then My Staff Assignments on the left-hand menu. You can click Show All Courses to view your previously submitted rosters. After completion, your submission will enter a queue that State Fire Training staff will review. Once staff approves your submission, the status will change from Approved to Completed. If you are the billing party for the course, you will see a notification on your portal that you have payments due, which brings us to the next portion of this demonstration. At the top right of the screen, you can see the gold-colored reminder stating Please pay your invoices. Click on this to be taken to the Invoices screen. Here, you will see recent invoices, their due date, total, amount paid, balance due, and status. Click on the invoice number to view a detail screen showing more information about which course and students the invoice applies to. At the bottom right of the screen, you can select the Print button and then Course Invoice. This will generate a PDF invoice that can be used for your records and billing purposes. Back on the Invoices screen, you can see that the unpaid invoice has a Pay button to the right. Click this button and the credit card payment screen will display. After processing the payment, you will see a successful notification at the top right of the screen, and an emailed receipt will automatically be sent to the email entered on that screen. You will be taken back to the Invoices screen where you can view your paid invoices and print or save a PDF invoice showing the zero balance due if desired. Here's an example of what the automatically emailed credit card receipt will look like.